She can't. She's ill. Come on. Come on, Milo. Hello, we're back. Mommy, we're back. Look at you. Where have you been? Go wash yourself. Look at you. You're soaking wet. You're covered in mud. Where have you been? You should take better care of your little sister.
But we ran all the way home.
Even across the bridge.
Go to bed.
I'm hungry.
Well, you're having no supper tonight. Either one of you. Go on, go to bed. Go on. Hurry up.
That smells good. Where are the children?
I sent them to bed.
Why? What's the matter?
They went to the river?
Both of them?
Yes. They went to the bridge. And I have told them time and time again never to cross that thing.
They were only playing. They didn't mean to upset you.
They could have drowned.
Children are all the same. No matter what we say, they never listen.
Well, they've got to learn.
Are you asleep? Are you? How can I be asleep when I'm talking to you?
You mustn't get up.
Why not?
Mommy, she'll behind me again. That's why.
That's never been there before. I'm going to have a look.
We can't, Tutu.
Of course we can. They won't hear us. and tarts? Are they going to eat them? Of course. What else would they do with them? Why don't they eat them at once? They're not hungry. Not hungry? Why not? They eat whatever they want to. Every day? So I'm told. Will they eat them all? Will they give any away? Can't they give them to us? They don't know us. Oh, somebody. Eating the cakes. They've got 2 each. 3, 4. I've got 12. I've got 2 times 12. Give me some. What's the matter?
We better go home.
Why?
Come on. We don't belong here.
It's cold. It's cold. Feels like cold.
So am I. This is not for us.
They're asleep. Come on.
Hey!
Where is the bird that is blue? I must have it. Give me the bird that is blue.
Tiltil has a bird.
Yes, but I can't give it away.
What? Why not?
Because it's mine.
Well, that's a reason, I suppose. Where is this bird?
In the cage.
Oh. No. It's not blue enough. You must find me the one I want.
But we don't know where it is.
Well, no more do I. That's why you must find me the one I want. I must have the blue bird. It's for a little girl who's very ill.
What's the matter with her?
Well, we're not quite sure. She wants to be happy. Come along at once. You must go at once. Come along.
At once?
Yes, why not?
We're supposed to be in bed.
Then what were you doing outside?
Playing and eating cakes.
Cakes? Cakes? Have you any cakes? Where are they? Where are these cakes? What's cakes? Where are they?
In the rich children's house. Come and look.
But it was the others who were eating?
Hmm? Yes, but we could see them eat. And it's so beautiful over there.
Ha! It's no more beautiful over there than here.
It's darker here and smaller.
And there aren't any cakes.
It's exactly the same. You just can't see.
I can see. I've got very good eyes. I can see the time on the church clock, and Daddy can't.
But I tell you, you can't see. Can you see me? How do I look? Well, answer me, young man. Am I old or young? Am I ugly or pretty? Huh? Wait till you. Perhaps you think I have a hump on my back, huh? Well, do you?
A hump? Oh, no. Well, not a very